Okay, hey, thanks for checking in. I've got a 9mm Smith Wesson. Gonna start out shooting it. Then I'm gonna have a High Point 995 9mm. Shot it about as many times as I could. Hit all three of them, knocked them all down. Kept shooting that one, as you can see, a few more times. Stick around, I'll go get that other gun. This is the High Point 995 9mm. I bought it from Sportsman's Choice. See what we can do to these Dr. Pepper and Coke bottles. Okay, I finished them off. Won't be drinking those anymore. I've still got one to go. One bottle just got knocked down. I'm out of bottles. Hey, the fun's not over. Nobody run off. I'll be back in just a little bit. We got a fundraiser to go to, but I'll be back with my wife, my son, my brother, and don't forget my big sis. We're bringing her back by popular demand.
The red light.
By popular demand, big sis. And she wants to shoot the new 9mm. She's ready. It's on safety. You look through this hole, through that, and you put this on your shoulder, and you slowly squeeze the trigger. Put this hand out here. Keep your finger away from the trigger, Alec Baldwin.
Last time shooting, she did not do very well.
You have to push this down. Hang on.
I swear to you, it's not a big deal.
It does not kick.
It won't punch you either.
We're ready when you are, big sis. You're way too high.
Aim lower.
I'm always on the road.
Shot way too high.
Hey, I shot it. Hit where I was aiming.
The big man, Roger Patterson.
It's pretty small.
It's a hit for Big Raj. Who's up next? Ready when you are. It's a hit.
I hit right where I was aiming.
Alright. There's a red one on the ground that's empty.
Here, I'm gonna try and double you up. Dad shooting here. Yup.
Whoa! Both at the same time.
He stacked both. And he missed. And he hit.